Hi everyone, in front of me I have this Xiaomi 12 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show the top 3 widgets for your home screen that you can possibly add. So let's go ahead and start. In order to call up the additional home screen menu, you gotta make the shrink and swipe. Here, go for widgets, and here we are in the widgets menu. There are some widget categories which contain different widget designs. So the first widget that I would highly recommend on adding is clock widget. You'll just choose the design that you like the most. I'll go with this one. It also contains some very basic information on the weather, so let me set it up real quick. Once you tap on the weather part of the widget, you'll have to set it up, then find the city in which you're located at the moment. In my case it's Krakow. Just tap on plus icon. And as far as I know, yep, it now shows the weather that is right now in Krakow. So the second widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the Google search bar. Just look for the Google category here and choose the search bar. And here we have the Google search bar now. By the way, you can rotate the widgets from one home screen to another just by tapping, holding, and moving it to the screen that you like to leave it at. I'll just choose this one. Next we have the last widget that I was going to show you in this video. So the last widget is the YouTube Music widget, which is located in the YouTube Music category. It will allow you to manage your playlist, and it will allow to conveniently work with the music you're listening to at the moment without having to actually open the YouTube Music application. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.